circle and dimensions of the mind, the tie that binds, the eternal tie that defines the vanity of my insanity. In due time will shine like the night sees under the moon, the haunted corners of familiar rooms. Yet I'm consumed with vanishing into thin air, the realization that this shit is my cross to bear. So where did I think I could run away to see the people that decided to leave without asking me? But we decide to wait for happier tomorrows and find someone so they can be distractions from our sorrow. But my distractions, the books of paper that I scrawl in. I'm eloquent as summer breeze and leaves that have just fallen. I've crawled in a corner hoping all of this will end with the knowledge that love is just another word for revenge. I, who have nothing but the comfort of my sins, I, who have nothing but the comfort of my friends. Demons prey above me like a vulture. Ability to endure contradiction is a high sign of culture. Verbal sculpture, self-defacing. It is not God or lunacy that I am facing, but the erasing of the purity and passion of my words. The herds of cattle Babylon would talk of the absurd, but I prefer to walk away from all the feuds, to find my life is more confusing than a Rubik's Cube. So I'm subdued, and all my words are verbal frauds. To live alone, one must be an animal or a god, but it's official. All of my pain is clear as crystal. The natural side of life has now been seeming artificial, but I can hit you, and rest assured they're not my last words. I could give a fuck about your secrets and your passwords. I get passwords and their ability to hurt you. Patience is a virtue and knowledge is a commercial. I, who have nothing but the pain that I've referred to. I, who have nothing but the pain that I've referred to. Among the miracles, I stand alone and have grown into a being that's sitting on top of throne. I've known for many years that I would turn to rust. I find a reason for another breath before my return to dust. I become one with science and mathematics and the rising of the sun. I'm numb to all of those who blinded cannot see the chastiser of the enemy. Perception requires duality. Inspect your soul, the color of coal inside the body. I have hardly come across them who's holy. Send them to the cherubim to control the burning of the sun and frigidness of the cold. The battlefield is new, but the war is now old. You can never see the merest shadow of a halo above the head of evil jinn who's deadly like tornado. The world has become an aquarium full of gaping fish with murderous smiles. I, on the other hand, stand on the outside looking in, writing down murderous files. I, who have nothing but the lack of variation, and I, who have nothing but chains and suffocation.
Sniper again, Kodak. Cause I got it by myself. Skirt, 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 skirt. Free little cool, man. Free little clap like you. Why you keep that tool like that? Why you move like that? I hit the club 50 deep. How you get so high like that? Why your eyes like that? Cause I put Molly in my lean. Kodak, why you act like that? Why you strap like that? Cause I got it by myself. Nigga, I don't need no vitamin C. I be smoking broccoli. They say it's good for my health. I'm front know my little bitch front of Dell. I like my money fast, you moving like a snail. All I smoke is L's on a paper trail. Can't you tell? I got clientele on my next tail. I don't need your help, got it on my own. This $1 million phone, but I ain't got no ringtone. Kodak, why you keep that thing with you? Cause I ain't got no time to play with you. All I do is when I hit the loose. Got your boo dancing, cut that water, baby, cut dance. I'm smoking broccoli, counting green. I'm on Molly, I'm on Lily. Why you keep that tool like that? Why you move like vitamin C. I be smoking broccoli. They say it's good for my health. Kodak, why you always in a foreign? In a foreign car. Cause if it ain't foreign, then it's boring. That's a boring car. I'm chasing dreams while you snoring. Kodak black, might be yellow, but her favorite color orange. Color orange, boy. Bitch, don't call my phone no more. I'm on tour. I'm on tour. Only two can fit. Fuck a four-door. Four-door. Nigga, this a jet. This is not a Ford. Not a Ford. Polo to the floor. Fuck that Tom Ford. Poppin' my nigga, this a rollie. Fuck that Michael Kors. Fuck that shit. I made her moving slowly, cause I poured a force. I'm on that shit. Got her on her knees, like forgive me, Lord. Fuck that. I remember pulling schemes, weighing Baltimore. Hitting lit. Why you keep that tool like that? Why you move like that? I hit the club 50 deep with my niggas, ayy. How you get so high like that? Why your eyes like that? Cause I put Molly in my lean. Kodak, why you act like that? Why you strap like that? Cause I got it by myself. Nigga, I don't need no vitamin C. I be smoking broccoli. They say it's good for my health. I'm a healthy kid.
Hey, babyface, this shit crazy right here. I ain't gonna lie. Gang shit. Fuck the state. Tell them suck my dick with your little telling ass. Trendsetter, feel like I'm the one who can bring Pelly back. Roll them steal from me and snake me out, I'm bringing Melly back. Petty ass, they fuck me like she said, ain't get her belly wrapped. I don't beef with niggas on the net, that shit fed years. One op that I hate from over there just got his head pierced. Look and sing the drum, hang out my pants, said it's a Ferris wheel. I can't cop, I got an aquanaut just off her hair skills. I had paid the half for all the drink that I was sick. 5K for a pint, I robbed them back, so I ain't tripping. I think about my brothers that I lost, I'm in my feelings. It's fucked up that I'd rather get revenge instead of me. Murky-o, call me Smirky-o, then it's personal. She twerk for sure, told me don't come fast, took a perky though. A nigga asking who I killed before, like who you work for. Say my name for clout, but in them streets they ain't gon' hurt you though. So they got an addict, go. Got location, go. Green light, go, go, go. Look on the news and see your son, you screaming, no, no. And all them niggas hanging with him, if you know, you know. I don't beef with niggas on the net, that shit fed years. One op that I hate from over there just got his head pierced. Look and sing the drum, hang out my pants, said it's a Ferris wheel. I can't cop, I got an aquanaut just off her hair skills. I had paid the half for all the drink that I was sick. 5K for a pint, I robbed them back, so I ain't tripping. I think about my brothers that I lost, I'm in my feelings. It's fucked up that I'd rather get revenge instead of me.
King Bump, I'm the hottest in the city. I just went and bought a chain, I just go and bad Billy. I got Glocks, I got choppers, I got sips. I done smoked so many niggas that them niggas still with. That ain't with me. I got hoes in every city. Shows the only time I visit. Pose never come up missing. I'm too scared to leave a witness. I got youngin' in the kitchen. Shorty fucking up the dish. Shoes, shirt, hatch, bitch, jacket, socks, pants, a mirror, nigga. What? Jacket, socks, pants, a mirror, nigga. I hit your block like 2-3 times and leave you teary, nigga. I put them bands up on your head like Jason Terry, nigga. This shit get scary, nigga. Man,
I don't beef with niggas on the net, that shit fed years. One op that I hate from over there just got his head pierced. Look and sing the drum, hang out my pants, said it's a Ferris wheel. I can't cop, I got an aquanaut just off her hair skills. I had paid the half for all the drink that I was sick.